Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to enable and add touch keyboard on taskbar in Windows PC. So friends, if you need touch keyboard on taskbar, so there is a very simple and easy method to add it. Just right click on taskbar and click on show touch keyboard button. So friends, you need to click on show touch keyboard button. So friends, as we can see, here is the icon and button of touch keyboard. So that's it friends. By this easy and very simple method, we can add and enable touch keyboard on Windows taskbar. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.